Hello everybody again. I am using here right now another compressor. The model number is the MDX-1400. Okay, it's the compressor that came after the previous model, the 1200, and I think that the quality is also very good. It's not so bad, but I prefer the previous compressor because from my point of view it has a better way to compress the signals, because it's a discrete design with discrete components with the normal ICs. The new development of Behringer use the SMD technology. I don't like that as previous technology with discrete components. It depends of the user, of course, but I think that the compressor, maybe the previous model, works much better. Also, what I notice here in this model is a sort of pumping. I don't know if this is recorded by the sound card. I will check again the audio playback and see what happens. Okay, and that is the upgrade of the new rack that I have connected today on my console. Okay, that's all.